Are you an ageless athlete who's a little bit confused about what you should be having after your workouts? Today, I'm going to be unpacking post-workout nutrition and my favorite post-workout smoothie. Coming up. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's exercise tutorials, podcasts, product reviews, or nutrition tips like these, you want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date in all of our latest content. One of the most common questions I get from my clients is, what should I be eating after my workouts? Most of the time, the clients that I'm working with are looking for body composition changes. So I preface this advice with, if you're looking for body composition changes, the most important thing you should be doing is eating correctly even outside of your workouts, not just the post-workout nutrition. The post-workout nutrition is like the icing on the cake. Really what the post-workout nutrition is going to do, it's going to maximize the benefits of the workout that you just completed, and it's going to help recover and repair to prepare you for the workouts to come. So let's unpack exactly how I look at my post-workout nutrition, and then finally we're going to finish up with a little post-workout smoothie that I have after my workouts. After your workouts, you should be assessing not only the volume, but also the intensity of the workout that you just completed. If you just finished your workout and it consisted of roughly 30 to 45 minutes of weight training that didn't really include too much of that metabolic burn, that gut-wrenching burn, you're going to want to supplement with protein only. Any extra calories on top of that are probably overkill, as you didn't really burn through any glycogen stores during your workout. You want to be shooting for around 20 to 40 grams of protein after your workout. If you just got done with some high intensity training, a HIIT class, a CrossFit class, that was roughly 30 to 60 minutes in duration, that's where we can start actually adding some carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores into your post-workout nutrition. I like to shoot for roughly 60 to 80 grams of carbohydrate after one of these workouts in combination with the protein that I mentioned before. Now, if you just finished your workout and it was a 60-minute plus workout with lots of high intensity work, maybe there was an A, B, and C session, weightlifting, metabolic training, and then cardio conditioning, this is where we're gonna go more into that sport type replenishment, where we're looking at protein levels of roughly 40 to 60 grams, and then carbohydrates of potentially 150 grams of carbohydrate post-workout nutrition. This is beyond the scope of most of the individuals that I work with who are ageless athletes, but if you're a competitive triathlete, marathon runner, or a CrossFit Games athlete, this might be something that you would be supplementing into your post-workout nutrition. So let's get into making my post-workout smoothie that I have roughly 3 to 4 times per week after my workouts of high intensity training. You're gonna need a blender. I have a Ninja here, but a NutriBullet will do as well. Some fruit juice. I go with unsweetened fruit juice. This is cranberry juice, and I'll cover exactly why I use that in just a second. Some protein powder. This is the J-Rob egg white protein. You're also gonna need some frozen fruit. I have this blend from Target. It's a blend of strawberries, blueberries, and cherries. Now you might be saying to yourself, how could I go wrong with making a smoothie? There really probably isn't too much of an art to this, but there kind of is. If you do a correct sequence of ingredients, you're not gonna get any clumping, but if you mess up the sequence of ingredients, you're actually gonna get some clumping of either the fruit or the protein powder in your smoothie. So you're gonna start with the liquid first. Now, I told you before that I use this tart cherry juice or a cranberry juice. Reason being is it's unsweetened. It's gonna have the carbohydrates in there, but it's not gonna have the added sugar of something like a Gatorade, etc. So this is fructose, 100% fructose, which is gonna replenish liver glycogen stores after my workout. So I add about 8 ounces, 1 cup of this cherry juice. That's about 34 grams of carbs. Next, on top of that, you're gonna wanna put your frozen fruit. And what I like to do is measure it out, 1 cup or 140 grams on a scale. Then I'll eyeball that moving forward whenever I make my smoothie moving forward. And then the last thing on top of that, you're gonna wanna use a scoop of protein on top of everything else. So let's give this thing a taste. This vanilla J-Rob protein is absolutely money. I actually put a link down below in the description if you want to pick up your own. Full disclosure, my fiance Lauren turned me on to this protein and I haven't gone back, so it's pretty money. Right here is the breakdown of all the macronutrients and calories in this post-workout smoothie, just in case you wanted to know. That's all I have for today, but if you like this video or you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date in all of our latest content. I'm Sean LaFloch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.